Welcome to the Urban Meditation Guide. We are so happy you are joining us on this journey. My name is Hilary Fay, and I am an international yoga instructor, meditation guide, and energy healer.
And I'm Sarah Hauk, modern mystery school guide, teacher, and healer. I travel the country bringing people meditation, mindfulness, and classes on spirituality. Together, me and Hilary have been teaching meditation for over 20 years, and we're so glad that you're here.
We're going to be learning about what meditation really is in this program, myths dispelling meditation, about things that you may think are true about meditation that really aren't true, as well as an experience of meditation. Meditation is the process of connecting in with your true self.
People are trying to find answers in their own lives, and they tend to look outside of themselves for answers. When we're doing this on a constant basis, it leads to a life that we haven't created, but one that other people have created for us. Meditation allows us an opportunity to connect in with ourselves, ask the questions that we know we have answers to, and begin to build a life with our highest joy, and that brings us the greatest purpose.
There are so many benefits to a meditation practice. And when we're living in high stress environments, which we all are, many of us living in cities, dealing with so much energy all the time, it's so important to have a practice where you can release everything that is going on outside of you and step into the truth within.
Because at the end of the day, you've had a hard day. You've answered emails, you've answered phone calls, you've gone to meetings, you've picked up groceries, you've had to make dinner, you had to clean the house, you've had big, important things to do all day long, and you come home and you just want to relax. But when is there time for you? What is your home life like? We want to bring you the tools and the benefits that meditation can bring to you so that when you're at home and it's your time.
So we're going to start by dispelling some myths about meditation.
Myth number 1, that your mind is going to be silent in a meditation practice. This is not true. When you start a meditation practice for the first time and you close your eyes, all these thoughts will be popping up into your mind, and this is normal. My only question becomes, if your conscious intention to meditate and not think, where are all those thoughts coming from? Well, we know that they come from the subconscious mind, and meditation allows us the thoughts to come up and then for the thoughts to release. This is a dumping out process of the subconscious mind so that we can step more into action in our own thoughts, not from the programming we've received from schools, parents, teachers, etc. So when you step into a meditation practice, don't expect your mind to be silent, and don't berate yourself if it isn't. Just allow thoughts to come up, find your balance, and allow the thoughts to release, always coming back to that center stillness point.
Thank you, Sarah. It's true. Meditation really is the process of releasing some of these subconscious thoughts. And if you think of your mind like a box, taking off the lid to the box and allowing these thousands of unconscious thoughts that we have per hour to release out of the box so you can begin to create more consciously through your conscious thoughts, the thoughts that you are aware of. And that brings me right into myth number 2, that you will have the same experience every time you meditate. This simply is not true. As I just explained with this box being released, maybe sometimes you'll release thoughts that don't feel good, stressful thoughts, thoughts that you're not good enough. It is important that these thoughts release from the mind, release from the body, but it does not always feel good when you are letting go of them. Sometimes you may have a meditation experience where you go so deep, feel so connected to peace, so connected to yourself. And other times you may have a meditation experience where you've had a hard day, where you're going through things and things come up to be released, and you don't feel as in a high of vibration as other times. So this is all about practice. It's practicing clearing the mind, practicing connecting to your true self, and being open to whatever comes up with no expectations.
And that brings us right into myth number 3. And that myth is that meditation isn't doing anything for you. Absolutely the opposite. And I'm going to throw a term in there that you've probably heard and you're probably going to hear 1,000 more times, and that's the negative ego. The negative ego is this little bugger that sits on your shoulder and talks to you. You're not good enough. This isn't working. You've got better things to do. And if you listen to it, you will not be successful in a meditation practice. Every time you sit and meditate, that you calm the breath, that you calm the heart rate, you're instantly doing betterment for your physical body as well as your mental body. And we're going to be talking a little bit more about that in our other videos. But it can do everything from stabilizing blood sugars to helping you lose weight, helping the nervous system, reducing inflammation, and more. I promise you, even though every meditation session may not bring you to that peace and relaxation, over time it will.
Definitely over time it does. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video.